Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Skype Python. Today we are going to learn how to retrieve the chat history of a particular user. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have to retrieve the chat history. So here you need to pass the chat ID, then sk.chat ID we have to pass. Okay, SK is basically your Skype credentials that we have used, username and the password. Okay, then messages, chat dot get messages. For messages we are doing the looping, and the message time, message user ID and the message content we are going to print. Okay, so here we have mentioned our my user ID. Okay, so where I have do the chat. Okay, with this user I want to retrieve my chat history, and then calling this function with the chat ID. Okay, let's try to save this and try to run this one. Okay, so here we go with the all the results that we have. And here if I go just do this one, so here you can see that the last chat message is hello test message. Okay, so hello test message, then hello, this is automated message. Okay, then with this hello 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 hello, at the last we have hi hello, hi hello, then we have a wave. Okay, so I'm there, you can say type hi, and this is a wave one. So I have fetched all the chat history data with this user, what I have chat with that one person, right? So this is how you can retrieve the chat history of a person. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. And here you can see that with whom, what message they have sent, what I am sending the message, so all of the data are there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.